All right, ladies and gentlemen, we screwed up again. We were kind
We're
of
very
very.
bad at this.
No, I wasn't bad at this. Okay, I just forgot to check. Um, I kind of turned their voices down so it wasn't coming out of the Xbox. So now it's fixed, but we kind of went through this area here without recording. Well, I kind of recorded it, but their voices weren't in it. So yeah, but we're gonna have to go back and do that on another episode. So yeah, that'll probably be the next one before we get to the next episode of the Dragon's Keep. So
I'm so angry. I am so angry right now, bro. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. I'm so angry that I could just punch zombies.
you actually look pretty happy.
It would make the major leagues no problem.
Okay, where are we going from here?
Nipple's got the man.
Oh, up, obviously.
There's a door.
Oh, the marker.
And there's a
You know what's
No,
weird? I
no,
never
no,
I
Dimple,
never
no,
I never noticed how to read signs.
Do we need to redo the introduction or what?
Nah.
No, he just did.
Because I'll probably get it in the last one, but just in case we have a Diffle assassin with us, as you guys can see, he's a necromancer also, so he's one of the new additions to our group. So yeah, he's definitely joining us. And then we got Zombie Dragon, of course, and J-Rod 1733.
Yep. Don't expect
feel
me to
so
open
weird.
any chests.
That what's?
freaking.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I have a lot of iridium.
What did you just do?
I activated an active defense shrine here.
Is that?
Oh well, I think
Is that
Diffle used
Claptrap?
it up too.
We might want to,
Yeah,
Hold on,
I'll show you
Okay.
the thing.
Maybe he can help us out of here. I say we talk to him.
With words. I don't know why y'all looking at me.
Wow.
Oh, what the heck?
Okay.
Oh! Another band of adventurers looking to take down the sorcerer. Look, you won't make it. You'll either die or be enslaved. And I can't in good conscience let you continue in your foolhardy quest. You shall not!
No.
That was the saddest.
That's it. I'm
That
done.
was the saddest like blast ever.
First castle on your map. But if you die, you won't be able to say I didn't warn you. Because you'll be dead.
Well, that's that was well put.
The exit is locked by dwarven door locking magic.
Well,
What?
now how do we get out of here?
You know, that wizard may know something about dwarven door locking magic.
Oh, hey, wizard.
I like how his vocal processors are edited because of he was Handsome Jack's droid or whatever. You know.
Oh.
Whenever
Handsome
he
Jack
swears,
had a
he
droid.
just beeps it out.
Why is he running away?
Jack had a droid.
Do we really have to chase him
Because we
now?
need
Is
to
that
catch
what we're
him.
doing? Oh, bro, it's on.
Yeah,
Do we have
that's
to?
what we're doing.
How do I do this?
It's up there.
Oh
when you go
yeah,
up there.
yeah. You gotta spend iridium on it, but like it's like an active defense shrine. It increases your defense.
Oh, that's
tenfold.
awesome.
Damn, my ass itches.
I didn't
Well,
know
not really
anything about
tenfold. I don't
tenfold.
really know. I don't really know, Diffle. I'm trying to be like an olden day knight thingy,
My
but-
tenfolds. It was good,
Don't
bro.
worry
It was
about
good. I agree.
Yield and
I say,
Diffle's gotta be such a freaking cock monster.
Aw.
Sir Gods of White Wolf, verily open
You
chest.
can't do it right! Shut up!
Fuck you, bitch!
You know, we never asked. Hold on. I gotta ask him.
no way! That's like my third favorite type of magic. Look, you're gonna need the secret.
Derpity derp.
Go
Derp derp derpity derp.
minds.
I'm definitely trying to listen to this.
Making
Thank
up
you.
the passphrase. If you'll find the letters, you can put it here. In fact, I found one just the other day. But you can't have this one. You can find your own.
Hey, Claptrap, what's
Yoink.
that over there? Yoink.
Hey,
Dude. Alright, a little.
One letter down, 3 to go.
I...
The sorcerer told me about you. Said you'd come for his queen. Well, tough too.
sounds like he's constipated.
Okay, anyway. Diffle, I'm kind of weird. I try to read the blue things that we have to pick up, so, like, let me read them.
Oh, okay.
You said I'm kind of weird.
No, let's leave Zombie there, because he's an a-hole.
I'm mad that when I was trying to
Shut
listen
up.
to him, again, he just stopped and started saying stuff. After we made up the rule not to talk while those people were talking. Like,
I'm sorry,
damn
I'm
it,
sorry.
zombies.
I'll follow the rule. I'll follow the rules next time.
Shut up, Zombie. You're a cock sniffer. You don't follow
Well, that's
the
a weird
rules.
name.
Break them, and then you're just sniff cock afterwards. You're like,
I thought we were keeping the
oh my
profanity at
god,
a
this
minimum.
smells amazing! And then the guy's just like, dude, you need to get up away from me. And then you're just like, no, I want to stay here.
Ah!
Hold on, I got you, Diff.
You hat sniffer.
Death Trap's orb.
What the heck?
Help me, Death Trap. That's it, Death Trap. I love you.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, zombie.
It's okay.
Zombie!
I will go.
Run, daggone it!
Bum 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 bum.
Wow. Oh god, why did he just level up?
Because I just shot all the red stuff out of the middle of him.
That's how they level up?
Yep.
Oh,
That's
what the
interesting, I
hell?
didn't know that.
Yeah, I shot all the
agree with
cream filling out of him.
Giggity.
Old
Gick,
Twinkie
gick,
at its
gick,
prime.
gick,
Oh,
gick.
Jesus, butter!
Okay, run. Time to run.
Rolling around at the speed of sound. The places to go, gotta follow my
Follow
own
my
crowd.
own-
Oh,
Oh.
jeez.
Shitty
All of you
side.
fell at the same time.
My own grenades betray
Bro,
me.
try
This is
to
just
get
a great
one of them.
day.
I was trying to tell her to lightning bolt.
Stop using the lightning bolt. It obviously doesn't
Zombie, back
work.
up, back up.
Lightning bolt!
Oh my god, he just doesn't listen to me.
Lightning bolt!
It's like no one wants to listen to me, even though I give great advice.
I know you give great advice. It's
Whoa,
just ignorance
this
is bliss.
little midget is wrecking me, dude. With Thor's hammer in his hand.
Lightning bolt!
He's got the magic.
Freaking zombie, yo.
Hypo.
Oh God. Ow. Ow. Mean rubber
Yeah,
duck.
they're very upset that you're here, zombie.
I was gonna. Oh. They're like, oh god, it's Les. Kill him.
Ow. I love as soon as you said that, I... Booty head.
Because I have magical powers
Booty head.
of death thingy.
Booty head.
Why do you keep calling me that? I didn't do anything to you.
That booty boot. Shake that booty boot.
Oh.
What if I don't want
Look at
to?
that booty.
Oh, come, my
I'll be
lady.
right back.
Come, my lady.
Oh, so we're starting like. Are we starting a music
We
group,
might.
guys?
Then I'm
Oh, really? Okay.
We are the donut stealing posse.
don't let's not
the new
call it
hip
that
boy
because
band.
it sounds kind of weird.
We are the
I was-
newest boy
I was
band. We're
hoping-
bigger than
I was-
Backstreet Boys.
I was hoping we could just call ourselves like the Malicious Bunnies, but okay.
I'm down. I'm feeling that right there.
Please get me up.
I got
Oh,
you,
God.
sir. Got you. Oh, I do not got
no,
you.
Don't.
I was actually lying very severely.
Why can't this person die? Die, damn you! I'm up.
I got you.
Thank you.
You're not dead. Huzzah.
He is a great addition to our group.
Yes. Diffle's got that diffle in him.
Is that
Oh,
really
God, it's part
like
of
a
his
word?
name.
Oh.
No, it's not.
I was making sure.
Whippy dipple doo 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 doo.
Diffful's supposed to be an acronym.
For what?
Do it for the wolf.
Oh, I like that.
Yo, Diffle Whiffle. Got some guns here. You want one?
Ooh, a
Take
damage
all.
shrine. Yoink.
I was about to be like, yo.
What?
Look at them.
You were about to say nothing because this is my campaign. And I'll slap you.
Yo.
Oh god, that hurts. That
Wait.
hurts.
Dude, he'll slap an orc.
I learned my lesson, Whippy. I mean, Justin. Do not step in fire. Oh, damn.
Really? You had to
Jump
learn
over the
that?
dwarf because he's
I
small.
thought you would know not to step in fire right now. Weren't you like young and your mom was like, "Don't touch that stove, honey"? Did you shove your face in the stove? You were like, "Urgh. Feels good."
I need to feel the heat.
Keep this going.
I guess you say I'm too hot to handle.
Wow. You forgot to put on sunglasses though.
What
Oh,
the
sorry.
hell?
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me do that now. Put some
Diffle, it's because
No, it wasn't you.
65.
Born into flat.
And you just made it weird.
Oh wow.
Ow.
Lightning bolt, damn it!
I'm mad we were jacking this one guy up and he actually lived for longer than expected.
Right?
Don't.
Diffle, you need to like stay in the back with like a sniper or something.
Actually, we should say the same for Zombie,
Nipple soul.
because Zombie is kind of a low level.
Lightning bolt!
Oh, at
Yeah,
the
but
moment.
Zombie's just
Slowly
gonna
but
run in there anyway.
Well, he does bring. Well, he actually does. He does get us up
Lightning bolt.
sometimes. So.
Oh yeah.
No, death trap.
My death trap shall replace him.
Wow.
Hey, Diffle. Diffle.
Benefit of my death trap
Turn around.
stronger.
Turn around. This is your brain. This is your brain on steroids. Any questions?
No.
I
Afraid.
got the magic
Not.
in me.
Oh, money, money, money,
Play
money.
Magic the Gathering.
Craig's got the steroids in him.
Thought it was Craig.
But now my testicles are gone.
Shut up!
Just like you.
Super sick jumps and stuff.
What? Are you freaking kidding me?
Puzzle.
It's impossible to cross. I'm just going to stand here and watch you guys fail.
Awesome.
It's impossible.
Fine. My bad. I'll make it doable.
Sorry, spoilers, YouTube.
Huh. Huh. So.
Oh.
I don't really know what
Oh.
to go from here.
Thank God.
I'm just
Thank
sitting
God.
here laughing at you guys.
Oh wait.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
That's funny as hell. Oh, right.
Thank God I played so many times. Played Super
Bro,
Mario
you
Brothers.
That was cool.
Alright. Parkour!
Oh, land. Stuff the landing.
YOLO! Oh no.
Ah!
Stuck the landing, bro?
I hate jumping puzzles.
Okay, whiny Wendy. A magic
Okay, whiny Wendy.
directly to the road. Are you happy?
What?
Wow.
Kinda. Yeah.
Wait, let me read it. Let me read it.
That's all yours.
Says Dwarven allies, the symbol of the Dwarven letter A. Not really much of a
You found the dwarven letter A.
very fun reading session there. Thought it was gonna be a lot funnier.
And I have the last one.
Did that troll just call me a douche?
I think it's a
Oh,
dwarf.
that was a douche.
It's a troll to me!
Defense shrine.
Bring it, trolls.
Trolls are actually very
Ow.
large and they live under bridges. Crap.
what my broski said. Even though I don't know if that's really true.
I have no idea either. I just saw Snow White in the Huntsman.
Wow. Oh, dang, I was just let it get zombie too. I didn't even know he was down. But then again, that should be a normal thing for me.
In case you're wondering, a troll is a middle-aged person that lives in his mother's basement, eating nothing but cookies and sandwiches, playing Call of Duty or Halo, always going troll.
And this has been another.
They honestly weren't wondering at all. They just didn't care. They
And
did
this has
not
been another
care.
session of zombies annotation.
I'm gonna slap the shit out of them. Hold on a minute.
Oh God.
So back it over.
Where are you going?
No.
Where are you going?
No.
Where are you
Up
going,
here.
whore? Where are you going?
Going up here.
Get back
Going
here.
up here. I am
Are you guys really
Big
letting me
face
do
here.
this by
Get over
myself? Is that what you're doing? Really?
Hey, I am running up
Who
there.
died?
We all died, bro.
Well, you're trying to
Finish
smack
wondering,
zombie
who's the
right now
master?
while I'm getting wrecked.
Well, we're being chased by a badass iron golem who wants to smack our shit.
Oh, that is an iron golem. I need
Yeah,
a
I'm
corrosive
not.
weapon.
I'm dead.
I have corrosive.
Or explosive.
Baby maker, go!
That is not
Go,
doing
go,
absolute.
baby
That's
maker.
doing absolute zero to him.
Absolute zero.
Yeah.
This is coming from someone who doesn't have a corrosive weapon.
Oh yeah, this is coming from someone who's a lower level than me.
Kind of, oh.
Go, zero. Go, go, Power Rangers.
Yeah, that's why you're
Really?
dead, Diffle. That's why you're dead. Oh, teabag. Teabag. No, I'm kidding.
Even up the score. Go.
You're just doing that for YouTube hits.
I don't know why zombie is singing.
Sorry,
Or why the hell I went down.
I was watching Power
Oh,
Rangers.
so did I.
The whole time we were doing that,
Alright,
they didn't
Dipple,
know that
we
zombie was singing in the
concentrate.
background.
Alright, if we concentrate our fire on his face, we should be able to at least put a dent in it.
And you're dead, Diffle.
Or I could crawl to my bro. Bro,
And
you gotta
you're dead,
get like the super fastness. Let's go.
I don't know what exactly you were just saying.
Well, I mean, when you gunzerk, you like, you know, you go
Oh.
super fast. Don't
Yeah, I'm in super fast mode right now, and I'm lighting him up.
That's
Wow.
a lot of lava.
And I meant that in the most sexual way, so I'm sure.
Oh, of course.
Yeah, he's dead. I'm wrecking him. There you go.
We all gotta kill those bad guys. Quick! Pop at the
Oh
start.
God.
Lance slowly off.
Hey, bro, you still got your hope light shield?
Oh, you know what? I think I do.
Yeah, because I'm
Lightning
using it right
bolt.
now.
But bro, we're gonna be moving like 2
Oh, it's
milliseconds.
over
You know that,
there.
right?
But
It's a-
still, we'd be bad.
Bro, it's gonna take
Go in
forever
slow
to do
motion.
it.
Be going in slow motion.
Bro, we're gonna move.
Plus, people need to know what the hope light is, bro.
Okay, but let's
They
actually
need to
go
know.
Lightning
over
bolt.
there first, so that way it's not taking a millennium to do this video.
But people like Millennium.
No, they don't actually.
Look at the Millennium Falcon. Everyone loves that thing.
Actually, that is not a very good
Everybody
idea
loves the Millennium Puzzle.
at all. Like, it's very bad because everybody's like, we want it now. Did you never see that commercial? It's our money and we want it now.
It's my money and I
Alright,
need
bro,
it
we got the
now.
hope light on.
Wait,
Long to go. And
wow,
now
that
it's
thing
far
already went
forward,
down.
But somehow so
That's
much.
unfortunate.
Yeah, I don't think the hope light's as great as we thought it was.
Well, I
Oh,
mean,
really?
we
Who's
need more
down now? Who's down now?
Diffle, I will put my nuts in your face and you will
Yeah, I'm gonna
enjoy
take
it.
the shield off because it's just getting me killed.
Well, I mean, we need lots more people who
It
have it.
doesn't matter. They take it down so quickly that it doesn't matter.
What are you talking about? It's only with 2 people right now.
It doesn't matter. They smacked it once. Oh my God! If what 2 people have on is gonna take 2 smacks? 2 smacks.
No, bro, you're not understanding what I'm trying to say.
Lightning bolt!
I'm saying we need more people who have the shield. In order
I
for
already
us to
know
get a better
the.
effect.
Never mind.
I know you know. I'm just trying to remind you because whatever. I'm just no, don't pick me up. Don't pick me up. I feel so depressed now.
He is in this dwarf cabin. Don't pick him
Wow,
up.
zombie.
Don't pick him up.
Moolah.
Yeah. Oh god, I'm an idiot from time to time. I'm not afraid to say that I am an idiot.
Moolah.
My-
These dwarves look exactly like Salvador. That seems kind of.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Hey, you think it's racist or something? I'll sell downstairs if he thinks it's racist. Hey, Salvador! Is it okay if all the dwarves in my campaign look like you?
That is awesome!
Booyah!
That is awesome.
Oh, wait.
That's so cool.
I did not notice that the dwarves look like Salvador.
I didn't either.
I kind
Oh,
of want
no.
to. I kind of want to.
Yeah, for real.
Oh, these are Black Widows.
Die, you stupid spider that has a spine on its tail.
Zombie, don't move. This is gonna hurt just a little bit.
I think.
If
He's gonna stick a
Don't
needle in
worry,
your
it's
ass.
a good touch.
And welcome to the bad.
Oh.
No, let's not do that.
Let's not do it.
Let's not make a frickin' reference or an illusion or a frickin' correlation to anything else that you know.
God, this
zombie.
spider is taking mad bullets.
Holy shit, they
Lightning
do look
bolt.
like Salvador.
Lightning
The
bolt!
dwarves do look like
Lightning
Salvador.
bolt.
What the hell?
Thank you, Diffle. The lightning bolts definitely helped.
Bro,
I hit a grenade
Oh my
every
god,
minute.
this is a grenade party.
Now, if you look over here,
Wait,
ladies and gentlemen,
wait,
you can
it's
see
not a
it's
grenade
pretty-
party yet. Now it is. Lightning bolt!
If you look
Oh,
over
God.
here,
Oh.
I like how that
you can see
frickin'
the
orc.
next film.
Oh my god! Diffle was just like lightning bolt, and that orc was like, hell no! Hell no!
You attracted so much aggro. You were glowing red like Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. You're glowing red.
Like Rudolph, the fucking red nose.
You know,
Lightning bolt!
Justin.
Bro, you got a
You know what?
corrosive erosive or like any?
Yeah, I got a
Bolt.
grossy rose.
Lightning bolt! Lightning bolt!
Now, Justin, like I was
Oh.
trying to say, this ain't a grenade orgy. This is a Michael Bay film.
No, this is a
Why
Michael
you gotta
Bay wet
diss on
dream.
Michael Bay, dude? Transformers.
For
was
real,
awesome.
dude.
I don't care.
I lost respect for him when I learned he was making a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie and making the Turtles aliens.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
Maybe people want something different after a while.
They're called Mutant Ninja Turtles for a reason.
Well, you know what? Maybe they just never told anyone that they were actually
You know what's
aliens.
honest? Yeah, you don't even write the thing. What if they were really aliens? You didn't write the
Right?
freaking
Like,
story.
what if that was like the
Guys.
first draft? What if that was the first draft, you cock? I know Diffle's out of the party, alright? You don't have to
No,
make a freaking
no.
note of that.
No.
And
I'm
I
saying
know
it's a
that there are
weapon.
so many enemies
Oh,
right
did
now.
he lag out?
And I know
There's
that
a
he left the
weapon
game.
chest up
Did he
here.
lag out?
Hey,
Oh.
lag out.
Plus, I'm down. And if you don't mind. Sorry to
That's
tell you guys.
unfortunate for Diffle.
When he gets back on, we get
Oh,
invited.
thank God.
The video will almost be done anyway. This 24 minutes. I was like dodging this zombie while I
We
was
only
trying
got
to read this.
24 minutes.
That is mighty convenient that someone smacked me there. Oh.
How would you like to give your friends Lumberjack a nice helping hand?
I would love to! Yay!
Well, there you go. Bam, wham, 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 bam, wham, wham, bam, wham, wham, wham. No.
Oh, God.
Why are we getting wrecked all of a sudden? Like,
Because I'm trying to see if they do look like Salvador, and they actually kind of do.
they're throwing freaking the like, what? Yeah, there you go.
Pickaxes.
Pickaxe is that. You know what's funny? When I was trying to think of what the name of those things were, the only thing that was coming to my head was Minecraft.
Wow. They're throwing Minecraft at us, guys.
Quick! Watch out for those creepers!
If they started throwing creepers, dude, I would get frickin' terrified.
That's a very nice gun you have there.
Shut up. The creepers wouldn't be like that. Shut up, zombie. They'd be like all... And then, oh my god!
Oh.
They don't talk, dummy.
Mars. Yeah, that's my voice that gets to the creepers. Don't make me get my best friend in here.
Well, alright, get your best friend in here. I'll make him feel really uncomfortable. I'll talk about how I like his big cock.
Okay, here he is. Yo, guys, I didn't mean to scare you. Just happened to be in the neighborhood.
You have a really nice penis.
Wow.
I stopped shooting so I can help.
Yeah.
That made everything so very awkward.
Yeah, I really don't want to play now just because of that. I really
It's
don't
kind of
wanna.
like when you have intercourse and then afterwards you're just kind of looking at her, and it's like that brief moment where you're
What do
like,
you mean you want cat there?
do I pay you now?
Do I pay you now? Oh my gosh, these dwarfs.
You know what? No, I'm not. Just because of that.
For the glory.
Okay, I'm getting killed for it. All right, Karma. I see what you're trying to say. I can't. I'm down.
I got you.
Like I said, I understand, Karma. I
I
understand.
got you, zombie.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Zombie, you could have invited Diffle, like, back this whole time.
Oh, well.
I didn't even know he was on. Well, I don't have on my
Like,
friends list, so.
he kind of left. I'm just like, he's on zombies, but like...
He's not on.
Oh, well, I guess. I'm the only necromancer again! Yeah! I freaking love this! No.
Wow.
Oh god, I'm sorry. I don't love this. I don't. Stop shooting at me.
I didn't notice how bright
Wow,
this
one
makes
of
the
them-
screen when I shoot.
One of them just said, Valhalla, I am coming.
Wow.
I didn't know this was so special for him.
Well, I mean, he's going to the place where he believes he will have eternal bliss. So I would assume it's special.
Is that what
That's
Valhalla
a
really?
Wow.
Well, Valhalla, like, apparently, like, if you died in battle, like, you would, like Odin or Thor or oh my god, a killer mimic thing.
Oh god.
Thing. But anyway.
Oh, thank God it didn't happen.
I'm not exactly sure. Maybe people who are watching this know, but like whenever you died in battle, you would go to like Valhalla, where like you would like drink in the Great Hall with like you know the gods like Odin and Thor and all.
Gotcha.
And Loki.
That's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah. They're pretty cool.
Left or right? Left or right? Left or right? Left.
I'm gonna go right, so I'm joking.
Man, it's hot down here.
Woo! Who cranked up the heater? Zombie.
Standing before you is
Jeez.
a dwarven puzzle. To get past it, you gotta think real hard.
Is that a Rubik's Cube?
Solve ancient.
Oh,
dwarven
this is gonna
puzzle.
just piss me
Wait,
off.
Wait, hold on, let me see it. What the F? Is that a flying Rubik's Cube?
Let's see.
Whatever it is, I'm doing something right, I guess.
What is going on?
Secrets of the cloud. For all the mysteries.
We still need to find more
Wow,
letters.
that was
Bro.
Oh shit!
Oh wow.
Justin,
Dude.
I just realized what this thing is. It's that puzzle box from Hellraiser.
No, it's not. It's the cube from Transformers.
You mean the Allspark?
Yeah,
I'll tell you what this is. I'll tell you what this is. This is a new commercial, guys, for the new Rubik's Cube. And it's 10 times the size, guys. 10 times the size. That means 3,000 more puzzles.
dude, and the digital freaking seizing, man.
But don't
You can
take
hook
our
this thing up. You can hook your MP3 player up to this. Start
And this could be
blasting
all
tunes.
yours for only $4,395. Yes, that's right. That's $4,395.
Like any of you have that. You're all a bunch of poor bastards. Oh well. You know who can afford this? I can! So that's why this is mine.
Wow.
But don't take our word for it.
Eh,
Let's hear what our people have to say
invite
about
Diffel.
this. Yo, dog. I was watching the commercial.
Yeah. Shut up.
Yo,
Shut
dog.
up, zombie. Shut up, zombie.
Hold on, guys. Hold on.
We
Hold on. I
need
got
to
this. I
get
got
Diffel in
this.
here.
Watch this.
You got, oh, what?
Hold on. Wait till he gets in here.
Let me invite
I just invited him. And here we go, guys. And Diffel Assassin is here, and we're gonna sell him this brand new Rubik's Cube for only $3,475. We even took the price off just to sell it to him. Come on, Diffel, down to the giant Rubik's Cube, and let's see what you've won.
Plus that. Alright, Diffel, we only have really like 2 more with this hurry your ass up in here. Spiders.
Oh,
MP3 player.
he seems. I guess he seems like he's having quite a rundown.
Yeah.
Diffel, we have
Yes, thank you so much, Bob
seconds.
Parker.
Bro, I'm gonna let I'm
We have
gonna let
30
you know that this the price on this commercial has already went up. So yeah.
What? Are you
Yeah,
are you serious?
we went over by about a minute and 30 seconds. So
Dude, that's gonna interrupt the Super Bowl.
I know, but it's
Fuck
I
the
know
Super
we're.
Bowl.
You don't say zombie shit.
You can't. Don't
Oh
say
my
that.
God, we're gonna
Zombie.
get so sued for this.
Sacrilegious in freaking America. Dude, oh my god. Oh I can't do this. I have to sell my floor routine. I'm gonna have to sell my favorite. No.
Oh, it's okay,
no.
guys. He's here. Diffel, come on down.
He's here. Get over here right now. Tax.
And Diffel, now this prize of Rubik's Cube is all yours for only $3,575. It could be all
Plus
yours.
tax. Plus tax.
No, I will put in 400.
It's definitely cost more than 400 though.
It's a lie.
How you wanted us to solve the puzzle?
Yeah. Let's go here.
I like that.
How did you? What the?
Whoops.
Really?
Could have solved.
Hey,
We could have
guys,
solved your
guys,
problem.
stop, hold position. The symbol for the dwarven letter S. Now all we need is the U, and we can put it in front of Zombie's face.
Guys, I'm just gonna let you know right now. Zombie owes me for that Rubik's Cube. That was $3,575 US.
Well,
Put it
bro,
on my
I
tab.
mean, with this economy, I mean, who's really gonna buy that giant novel Rubik's
Bro, it's not that they would buy it, it's that he broke it, so he just bought it. You break it, you buy it.
Dude, it's a giant Rubik's Cube.
Cube? That
You
is
owe
true.
me money
Zombie,
for that.
Zombie, turn around right now. Turn around right now.
I bet under the fly.
You better give all your money. You better give us
I bet under the price. You owe me a
give us
Rubik's
your money.
Cube. You owe me a giant Rubik's Cube, zombie.
Dude, if he doesn't give us his money, we're probably gonna have to
Yeah, most likely.
I'll give Diffel some money. If I can.
Wait, I want your money. I want your six-pack.
Yeah, just give Diffel the money. This is Diffel you're trading with right now. Give him the money.
Hold on. Where did Diffel go?
Alright, Diffel, and you do that 20%.
Lightning bolt.
Diffel.
Uh-huh.
Do you know that 20% of your profit will have to go to me and John?
Wow.
Why?
Because we endorsed the freaking Rubik's Cube bought.
Dude, do you know how long it took to forge that Rubik's Cube?
What changes
Dude.
the Price is Right, and he decided to break the damn thing?
There should cover
This
it.
isn't the Price is Right. This is just us selling this. That's what the show's called,
Wait.
us
Yeah,
selling.
basically,
Now,
jeez.
now, Doful, keep looking at me. This is one thing I've got to tell you, okay? Do listen to. I'll let you get more money if you suck my dick.
Rape! 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 Rape!
Oh,
Suck my
I'm sorry,
dick.
bro. I didn't know you wanted it.
I'm too young to be visited.
You aware
Oh,
of
bro,
what's
look right here.
happening?
Another
The sorcerer
it's a damage
running
shrine.
this place. You also notice a weird ass magic globe.
Yeah, it's right here.
I got it.
Mr. Dwarf, sir, I demand your finest bacon.
That's the guy?
Shut up. Looks like
Yep.
My leg.
What's up with the beer glass?
Friggin' die!
Oh, what the hell?
Terminator?
What's going? Oh,
Yeah, I would go
oh,
to the side. to
oh.
talk to you
Well,
guys.
interesting.
What?
Oh, okay.
Use electricity.
Let's talk more bang bang.
Oh no, wait, use fire.
Just light his ass up, okay?
If you use fire when he goes red, when he goes purple or whatever, you go slag. He changes, and if he's invincible with some of
Wait,
the
guys!
other.
You broke the sorcerer's control over me. You must want to get out of this horrible place. Goldie, give our saviors the password rune.
Okay.
Whoa, wait a minute!
Oh, crap.
Who killed Ragnar the Emancipator?
Wow. Okay. Well, that didn't really work.
I thought breaking that would save us the time, but I was dead wrong.
Thanks a lot, Brick.
Freaking brick, man.
Thanks, Brick.
Thank you, Brick. You're a great
You are
friend,
not.
Brick.
You are so not invited to the ice cream social.
Yeah,
already.
like totally.
Dude. For real, Zio.
When did we turn into Jersey Girl?
And I made cupcakes too.
Dude, your cupcakes are...
Right? He's not getting
I'll bring
any
the
of
red
them.
velvet. You gotta go to fire.
You know
Fire
what, Diffle?
weapon.
Stop telling us what to do, because we're commanding officers to say you with anything you have. Alright, I'm fucking tired of hearing your voice say, guys, switch to fire! I command you to switch to fire! And I'm just like, shut up, okay? I don't need to hear this from a...
I'm not commanding for shit. I'm just saying go to fire whenever he goes red.
Dude, I'm tired of hearing you bark frick orders at us right now, okay?
Dude, he's shooting he's shooting
down.
missiles out of him,
Faithful.
so it's kind of, new.
Chances for a
Christ.
dwarf. He's not happy. No, don't kill me, Mr. Dwarf. Here, take Diffle.
I'm mad he said take Diffle.
Zombie, where are you?
I'm right behind you, idiot.
Oh, okay.
Oh wow, he's a gold golem. Does that mean he's part of the gold army?
Wait, what, bro?
No, because like, it says the golem, and I was thinking of the boy too.
Oh, okay. Someone just totally said paper
I actually love
cut.
watching them in there.
Don't worry, it's a good paper cut.
That's weird.
There can be only one!
Bro, we totally disowned him and then owned him again. Oh, what was that, bro? I wanted to see it.
Of course. That's what happened to your old friend over there who went psycho.
Zombie, what can you
What?
hear?
Oh, a class mod.
Dude, this is a really good shield recharge delay. Do you see that? And your health regeneration gets
Yeah.
boosted.
Hold on. Let me,
Hot dog.
yeah.
That's amazing.
I'll just drop this, because I need it.
Adaptive shield.
There we go.
Nice.
Oh, that was horrible.
Oh wait.
Would you like to read, Mr. Whippy?
Actually, I would like to do the honors.
Wow, some
Dwarven letter rule. The symbol for the dwarven letter A. Wait.
Come on now.
Great job! You have all the letters. Now just get back to Claptrap.
We gotta walk all the way back? Oh, man.
All right, girl.
Wow, that's pretty.
Portals for your lip.
RTF? We have to unscramble that?
Teabag powers activate.
I bet it's rap.
I know what it is.
place R. Big phrase allowed. Raft?
That not the password?
Oh, I just got it.
Oh, God. I just figured it out.
Fast.
So say it.
Fine, it's... art.
Wow.
Well,
Hold on, let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Stop.
Oh my God!
Wow. Okay. Speak the dwarven phrase and head to the sorcerer's tower. Through the vault hunters ended up inadvertently killing most of their intended allies. The minds of Avarice, nonetheless, proved fruitful after a bit of violence and some cross humor. They found themselves closer than ever to handsome sorcerer's tower and the queen trapped inside of it.
Guys! Did somebody say fart? What a stinky thing to
Wow.
say!
Boo.
You ruin everything.
I hate to say it, but Claptrap's like me in robot form. He messes up
Giggity.
everything. I'm not afraid to
Oh.
Okay.
No, that looks pretty.
Hatred. Wait, hatred's shadow.
Yep. Hatred.
Bro, that does look pretty.
I love Mountain Dew Voltage.
Dude, I think I...
Bro,
Dude,
majestic.
Dude, I think I'd come here for a vacation.
Majestic. Wait, guys. Guys.
What?
We have to
What?
end. It's 45 minutes now.
Aw,
Yes.
Hold on, let me sell stuff.
I'm a merchant, and these are my
Okay. So we're gonna end it here. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll try to get up on the things that we missed. We apologize for the inconvenience. But yeah,
Yeah.
so we continue to give you guys more footage of this. So yeah, guys, just keep on watching. See ya.
Bye-bye.